Hey guys, how are you doing? In this video we are going to create a simple calculation app using Android Studio. So let's start. Enter project name. And click finish. So wait for the gradles. So they build the project completely. Remove this text view. And replace constant layout with linear layout. Now set its orientation to vertical. Now add a text view. With the width of match parent and height wrap content. Place text simple calculator. Text size 25 sp. Gravity center. Add margin 10 dp. Now create an edit text with a width of match parent and height wrap content. Place int. Enter first value. Input type number. And with the ID of TT first value. Now do copy paste of it. Change its ID to 80 second value and hint. Now our edit text are ready to get input from user. Set layout margin in both edit text 10 dB. Now create a linear layout with a width of match parent and height wrap content. Orientation horizontal and weight sum 2. Create a button with the width of 0 dp and height wrap content. Layout weight 1. Text add. Background colors. Go to color.xml and add a new color with the name of gray. Now do copy paste of this button. Change its text to subtract. So our two buttons are ready. Give them some margin vertical 10 dp and margin horizontal 10 dp. Also give margin to buttons individually. Now do copy paste of these buttons and simply change text to multiply and divide. Now give these buttons ID. Now our front end is ready, so move to back end. Declare edit text, as we have two edit texts in front end. Et first value and et second value. Now create buttons. btn add, btn subtract, btn multiply and btn divide. So now do view binding. Simply create duplicates of them and change their names and IDs. So now our view binding is completed. We have to create click listeners for buttons. We create a click listener method here. and add click listeners on all buttons one by one. We have to create two variables globally for use. As we have to get values in numeric form, so we will use double data type. So here we will use double dot post double to convert the string value into double value. Because we have to perform arithmetic operations, so we need values in numeric. So we will create another variable here to store the result of addition. So we have to create a text view to show result. So here we create a text view above buttons because we need to show result of arithmetic operations. We have to give it ID because we will use it in our app to show results. Here we declare it as a text view. And do view binding. Now we will set result values in this text view by using TV result dot set text. Because values are in the form of numeric, so we have to convert them into strings because Android works from strings. Same thing we have to do in all other buttons. So just simply do copy paste and then change arithmetic signs by replacing minus with plus. So our app is completed. Now we have to run it to check whether it's working or not. As we can see, it's working perfectly. So if you like the video, kindly leave a like and do subscribe our channel. Thanks.